RCAT has successfully closed a $46.75 million registered direct offering of common stock, positioning the company for significant growth in the drone industry. The funding will accelerate product development and production for its newly formed unmanned surface vessels division, targeting the maritime autonomy market. According to Jeff Thompson, founder, chairman, and CEO, this financing will drive the company's expansion. RCAT has been making notable strides, including expanding its manufacturing capacity to produce 150 Edge 130s per month and doubling Black Widow production capacity to meet growing demand. The company reiterates its 2025 annual revenue guidance of $80 to $120 million, driven by sales of its drone products, including the Black Widow, Edge 130, and Fawn FPV. With this investment, RCAT is poised to capitalize on emerging opportunities in the drone technology sector. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.